Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I will show you how to use and when to use cocktails in Pets Go. There is a lot of confusion about this topic, so in this video I will try to explain all to you. First, let's make sure you unlocked cocktails in your upgrade menu. Go to Boosts, Potions, and then follow this path on the left side. So just follow the Lucky Potion path until you get to the cocktail. And when you unlock it, you will get one in your inventory. So let me just explain to you how it works and when you will need cocktails actually. So let's see how much time will this cyberpunk ghost need to destroy one of these chests on the map. So that's 18 seconds without cocktail, and you can see we got some stuff as a reward. But if we use cocktail now, it will last 30 minutes. And so we can see it's already going faster. And it will be 12 seconds with cocktail activated. So as we can see, cocktail does make breaking breakables a little bit faster, maybe double or close to double faster. So you should know to use cocktails when or before you are going to go around the map and break some chests or any kind of breakables. It will also make them spawn in double amounts on the map, and also it will make your rolling faster. It will give you a lot more luck when you're rolling, and this is why you should always gather a lot of instant luck potions, rainbow dice potions, golden dice potions, and even blazing dice potions if you can, before you use cocktail. So when you do apply the cocktail, you can use all of this stuff together and get some incredible rewards with that. So I will use a lot of my potions now, and let's see what we will get. So the main thing is, do not use cocktail passively for passive rolling only. You get a lot more by breaking or fishing. Make sure you take cocktail before you do something like that. And that's all for this video, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me down in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe if you like this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.